If your lips feel dry after using lip balm, it's because you're stuck in one of three patterns: over reapplying, product buildup, or barrier disruption. That's why your lips feel better for a minute and then dry again. Hi, I'm Janice Story, nurse and founder of AJ's EO Infusions. Just a quick note, this content is for educational and inspirational purposes only and is not considered medical advice. So always listen to your body and consult your provider if needed. Now, here's what most people don't realize. Lip balm isn't designed to fix the problem long term. Most formulas sit on the surface of your lips. They create a soft, smooth filling, but it fades pretty quickly. So when that layer wears off, guess what, folks? Our lips feel dry again. So naturally, you apply more. And that right there, that's the first pattern: over reapplying. And in that moment, it does feel helpful, but it's actually keeping your lips recovering. The second pattern is buildup. When you're applying layer after layer after layer throughout the day, it is just sitting there on the surface. So instead of supporting your lips, it's actually blocking what your lips actually need. And the third pattern is barrier disruption. Your lips have a natural barrier, but when they're constantly being coated and recoated, they don't get a chance to reset. So over time, they just stop maintaining themselves as well. And this is where it starts to feel like you need lip balm all the time. But that filling, that's not because your lips are worse, it's because they've adapted to the pattern. So instead of maintaining themselves, they started relying on that constant reapplication. That's what I call the lip balm cycle: dry, apply, relief, dry, repeat. And once you're in that cycle, it can feel like nothing is working. But the shift isn't using more, it's changing how you use it. Even something simple like waiting longer before reapplying can start giving your lips a chance to recover, because your lips just don't need relief. They need time to reset. And if you want to figure out exactly which one of those patterns your lips are in right now, I created a simple lip quiz to help you do that. You can find it in the description.